6 Jamaicans are dead in 2 Cessna aircraft crashes locally in the space of 17 months.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A total of 6 persons have lost their lives in 2 crashes involving Cessna airplanes in Jamaica's airspace over the last 17 months. The first crash over the period took place in November 2016 when a 4-seat Cessna 172 Skyhawk aircraft crashed into a house in the Greenwich Farm community in southwest St. Andrew. A flight instructor, Jonathan Wharton, 31 years old of Boonall Road, Stony Hill, St. Andrew, and flight students 19-year-old Dancher Gilmore and 18-year-old Ramon Forbes died in that tragedy. Aviation authorities said on November 11, 2016, the single-engine plane belonging to the Caribbean Aviation Training Center departed the Tinsipen Aerodrome just after 1 p.m. The plane reportedly encountered difficulties soon after takeoff and crashed in the nearby Greenwich Farm community. Less than 2 years after that incident, authorities have been forced to launch another probe locally into a tragic flight on Thursday, May the 3rd, in which all 3 persons on board the aircraft perished. In that case, the Jamaica Defence Force reported that a search was launched after a Cessna 206F aircraft went missing over the island with the 3 persons on board. In a statement, the Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority said the single-engine aircraft departed from the Sanctus International Airport in St. James at 4:18 p.m., destined for the Tinsipen Aerodrome in Kingston, with an estimated arrival time of 4:58 p.m. The JCAA said the aircraft was last seen on radar at 4:36 p.m. between Duncans and Clarkstown in Trelawney, where search and rescue procedures were immediately initiated with the input of the respective police stations and the Jamaica Defence Force.
I was in the jelly walk getting some nourishment. When I was sitting resting, I saw something coming in the sky. I thought it was a plane. So because I was resting and I saw it come in my direction, I then cleared off the bush because I didn't want it to come beside me and explore. So Trelawney Station live, Mr. Broken English. Okay.
However, aerial search by the JDF had to be abandoned later in the evening due to poor weather conditions. The JDF resumed the search operations on Friday morning, and with the help of persons on the ground, including concerned residents, the remains of the missing aircraft were subsequently located in bushes in Georgia District near Duncans in Trelawney. The victims in that crash have been identified as 43-year-old Miguel Jones of Eastern Kingston and Rojan Campbell, who was believed to be the pilot, and Carlan Snipe, whose age and addresses were not yet released. One of the other deceased was said to have also been a pilot, while the other was reported to have been a mechanic. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.